Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate and use filters in Microsoft Excel. First, let's open our Excel file. As you can see, I have a table containing different types of data. To activate filters, select the columns or the entire table that you want to filter. Then, go to the Data tab in the navigation bar. On the right side of the ribbon, click on Filter. As you can see, a drop-down arrow now appears in each of the selected column headers. To filter a specific column, click on the drop-down arrow in that column. You will see all the distinct values available. Simply select the value or values you want to filter by and then click OK. The table is now filtered based on your selection. To remove a filter, simply click on the drop-down arrow of the filtered column and select Clear Filter. You can apply filters to multiple columns by repeating the same process for the other columns. This allows you to combine different filters and narrow down your data to find exactly what you're looking for. Found this useful? Smash that subscribe button.